This is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this device. So I recommend that you begin by clearing your RAM cache, so open the list of active or background running apps or recent apps, and here press clear all button. Then you can also try taking care of your storage if it is not in the optimal state. There are many ways you can approach that goal, but the easiest one and the most straightforward is Google Files app, which is the app that you get pre-installed on your device, so simply launch it, or if you have manually uninstalled it prior, just get it downloaded from the Google Play Store for free. Here inside the app, open the clean section and see what measures the app suggests when it comes to freeing up some storage space. So here, clean junk files, remove unnecessary temporary app files, and so on. And once again, the app will come up with a bunch of tailored storage cleaning steps that will allow you to make even more internal storage space available, hence give your system and your device in general a little bit more room to breathe. And the final optimization that you can make is enable, or actually that's the whole section of the system category of settings called performance. So here you can switch on the smart app launch. You can also see the storage cleanup section to see if there are any fragmentation, if there is any fragmentation that your system detects. So my storage is in perfectly optimal condition, since the phone that I have is brand new pretty much, and it was not used for that long, so no fragmentation and generally no storage problems. But if you've been utilizing your Motorola device for a while, some junk and unnecessary files may have built up in your storage, so yeah, use this tool as well. And the final feature that I recommend you enroll or apply is called RAM Boost, and it provides you with additional gigabytes of random access memory. So switch it on, select how many additional gigabytes of RAM you would like to get, or you can just set it to AI Auto and allow your system to automatically choose whatever optimal additional RAM amount it wants to get. So that's up to you. And now restart your device in order for those changes to be properly applied. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.